Okay guys, so jumping straight into the video, I'm just starting off with my eyebrows and my face freshly cleaned. It's really just from Dollar Tree, so it's affordable, nothing special. And it's in like a light brown because that's kind of like my eye color. Then I just got a spoolie that I'm using. And of course some LA Girl concealer just to blend it all in and to fix any of the parts that I mess up on. Okay, so I just start off by brushing my eyebrow hairs going up. I'll just do that on both sides, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna need you guys to bear with me because my tripod is broke, but throughout the video I'll be turning and facing the camera, but every now and then you will see me looking back in the mirror. But I just start off by holding the skin on my face, or sometimes I don't, but I hold the skin on my face and I just draw the line underneath the brow. So once I finish drawing the line underneath the brow, you don't have to worry about it being too perfect because remember, the concealer cleans up any of your mistakes. Then once I draw the line underneath my eyebrow to my liking, I draw at the top of the eyebrow, but I don't start off at the beginning. I start where my hair is the thickest so that I can draw it all the way. And you see how I got that line? I kind of like draw a little bit over my line. Not my line. I draw a little bit over my eyebrow, but in the end it's gonna look really nicely because I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so once your lines are fully drawn, that's when you go ahead and just blend it out. So I'm just, of course, moving the pencil and just literally just filling it in like you would a coloring book. Okay, so moving on, I just go ahead and just take my spoolie and blend it in. Once you blend it in, everything starts looking a lot better, and the concealer is just going to be a finishing touch. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on my other eyebrow. Now don't be discouraged because one eyebrow might look better than the other. That's just naturally how it is. It's never gonna look the same because our bodies doesn't even look the same on each side. So don't be discouraged about that. Just try to make it look as perfect as possible. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Like, you're not really gonna see that. I'm gonna just fast forward past that part. Okay, so now that both of my eyebrows are filled in, I just go ahead and draw my line of concealer underneath my eyebrow. And then at the top, I try to draw it as close as possible to the hair so that my eyebrow isn't too thick. Now, that's up to you. If you like your eyebrows thick, you can do that. But I like my eyebrows to look a little natural and as close as possible to my natural eyebrow. And of course, I just connect it so that it is looking kind of even. I connect the concealer across and I fill it in between my eyebrows. Okay, so this last trick is just something that I learned from Facebook. So I'm just taking like a makeup wipe. This is just a wipe that I got from Dollar Tree, nothing fancy. And I just hold it around my finger. And I just wipe off any of the excess concealer at the top, in the middle. But at the end, not at the end, at the bottom, I try to leave a little bit just so it has that freshly, that fresh eyebrow look. I don't know what you want to call it. Now this last part is very optional using the makeup wipe. You could just blend it in if you like to, but when I did try using the makeup wipe, I found that I like this way a lot better, so I just cleaned it up a little bit. And so remember, if anything isn't to your liking, you could just, you know, blend it out a little bit more and add a little bit more of eyebrow pencil to it. And girl, just like that, your eyebrows are on fleek. Like, you don't have to go out and get like Anastasia brow and spend all this money on your eyebrows. Like, you can simply do it with an eyebrow pencil for like $1 at Dollar Tree, okay? Don't go out your way. Like, if you're on a budget like me, you can still look good, okay? Okay, so these are just my finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this tutorial was simple enough for you. I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give me a thumbs up. Oh, and comment down below anything that you would like to see from me in the future. Bye!